Today, what I'm going to tell you is just going to be massive. It's going to be so much exciting that you're going to love it. Channel is making almost $10,000 every single month and almost making 100K every single year. So you want to make almost 100K every single year. And how to do that? It's pretty simple. So let me show this to you that the channel that we are going to talk about, it's known as Wi-Fi Plug. I know that by compiling simple TikTok videos like these ones, you can generate up to $10,000 every single month or 100K every single year. So you want to generate 100K every single year and you don't have to show your face or you don't need to talk to your camera. Like to do this, it's pretty simple. The channel that I'm going to tell you about today is known as Wi-Fi Plug. So they are doing simply TikTok compilation. For example, you can do that, and with the help of new Instagram Reels, we have much more access. That is not just TikTok, you can use Instagram Reels too, and you can monetize it in two forms. So what are the two ways? Two ways are YouTube Partner Program, that is the AdSense from YouTube Partner, and you can also do affiliate marketing, or you can also do drop shipping if you want, but the best option is affiliate marketing. Help of this, you can monetize your channel from the first day whenever you launch your first video, and whenever you make quite a good number of compilations, and you can upload it really in a regular way so that you can make a lot of money, and it will be simply easy. For example, the things that we need to do, it's pretty simple. We need to simply download each and every TikTok video, and then we need to compile them in a way so that we don't get copyright. So how can we do it? We can add voiceovers like a channel that we all know. This is a channel that we all know that is known as Top Things. So this channel is doing something like that, but they are using commentary. That is, they're using the voiceover and they are monetizing the thing. For example, if you can see this one, that all these are really easy, and you just need to find the ones that are not using any copyrighted music or that are simply ready to be used. So you need to download it and then you need to compile it in a really perfect way, in a way that everybody's going to love. Whenever we go onto the most popular section, we will be able to see something. We can see that they have got 20 million views, they have got 7.1 million views, and you can see that they have done very simple thing. That is, you can go onto Canva and you can make all this TikTok thing, and we can see the TikTok logo up here. And if you don't have access to TikTok in your country, don't worry about it. You can use Instagram Reels even. I'm going to give you some of the secret niches that you can use right now, and that's going to simply explode. Like your channels are going to explode massively. I'm going to give you two niches. So the two niches that we're going to talk about, the first one is crypto. Okay, so we're going to talk about the crypto niche because it's just on hype right now, or we can say we can also do some NFT stuff up here, and it will be really easy. And let's talk about some evergreen niche that is going to be staying forever. That is a health niche. You can work on this health niche, especially on keto. Okay, so you can work on the keto niche, and you can actually work and you can compile videos so that you can work really and you can grow your channel really fast. For example, the first one is crypto or NFT. It's booming right now, and people are getting to understand that what's the value of it. But if you are someone who understands that this can be done really easily, you can also work on that. Now let's talk about the other things. For example, if you are someone who is just loving these things, as in you are into fitness, so what you can do is that you can start a keto niche or a health niche, because it's going to be a fundamental niche. It's an evergreen niche. So as we all know, there are three types of niches: health, wealth, and relationship. So you can work on the wealth as in crypto, NFT, and you can work on the health niche as in keto. So on the paleo diet, whatever maybe the thing that you love, you can actually work on that. Now you can make some good amount of money from it, and you can work by compiling the videos. Now let's talk about how you can monetize with affiliate marketing. Whenever you try to do affiliate marketing, here are two options that I can give it to you. See, the first thing is you can use some affiliate websites like ClickBank or CG Automation Junction or Max Bounty, or you can use some things like Impact and all that. So you can work on these ones and you can sell digital products, or you can also help to sell subscriptions. For example, there are big companies who have affiliate programs, or you can do one thing, you can sell physical products like from Amazon. You know, there is a program by Amazon affiliate it is known as. So you can do one thing is that, for example, you are working on keto, okay, and you can sell something. You can sell some keto snacks, or you can sell something keto recipes, or you can sell cookbook that is an e-product from ClickBank, and there are hundreds and thousands of products that you can choose. But the best thing of all is that whenever you work on these ones, you will be easily understand that how you can actually work on these ones and you can still generate good amount of money from it. So I hope that you have understood the thing that I was trying to tell you, and let's summarize. So today what we have understood is that we can make a TikTok compilation or a reel, and whenever we do it, we are simply gonna do what? We are not gonna use our face, we don't need our voice, and we can actually do one thing, that is we are simply gonna compile it. So whenever we compile the whole thing, our video is ready, and then we are gonna monetize it with YouTube Partner Program, and then we are gonna use affiliate marketing, which will be helping us to monetize our content from the first day itself, and then you can actually mint some money or ka-ching, or whatever you want to say, and then it will be really easy for you. For example, let's talk about this thing. This channel, Wi-Fi Plug, it's known as, so we can see this channel is generating almost quite a good amount of money. For example, on 26/10, and today is 8/11, okay, it's 8th November 2021, and on 7th they have generated near about 1K. So it's generating almost $200 to $300 every single day, and it's not that tough. If you have done it correctly, you're gonna work on that. I hope that you have understood and got a great insight and a great depth and understanding about the whole thing. And if you have liked the thing, the best thing that it can be done easily is by doing it consistently, because consistency is something that you should understand. It will be the key so that you get a massive success like this, and it's gonna be the only thing or one of the part that's gonna be changing the whole channel and the whole look of your channel. Not just that, you need to understand that how to use your tags and titles, because a great thumbnail and a great title can change the whole channel's outlook, and it's gonna give them much more opportunity. So if you have great title, title and great thumbnail, you can use it. So if you want to know how we can use it, and it's going to be really simple. So you go onto any channel that you like and you go onto the most popular section. Whenever you go onto that, you can see the titles that are working best for them, and you can find a similar pattern that is simply working on other channels too. So whenever you apply the same, you can understand that you don't need to do very hard work, or you don't need to reinvent the wheel, because it's already being done by people. So you just need to upgrade it. You just need to take it to the next level so that you can tweak it and you can maximize its productivity, and you can work on this really easily, and you can grow in a much more faster way. You can take the whole channel. If it takes 10 months to build a channel, you can do it in 10, 20, 30 days, and it's going to be really fast because you know what are the tricks. And you need to be patient. Also, you need to be patient because